out here pumping gas.
We got food stands. We got food stands. EBT.
Yeah, this girl.
Hey. What's up, Z and Q? Yay! This your girl Queen and Nay. So y'all better just like, comment, subscribe to this video right now, because as y'all see from this hairstyle that's lopsided right now, we ain't finna touch it because it's probably gonna come down. And that thumbnail, we gonna be acting ratchet.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
It's not really hard because that's like normal amount of the females out here in life. Plus sometimes we gotta get a little ratchet, you know, to live in this life, because these people be doing too much out here. See, like this braid, like all you gotta do is come out the glasses. All right, so we got a few things to do today. So yeah, so we gonna be acting ratchet just to get Z's attention and see how he acts. So I hope he can take this, because girl, we are supposed to be doing the most the most, okay? So I hope he's ready, because girl, when I say ratchet, we're ratchet, and that's on period. So like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, we're supposed to get in the car, so we're gonna get started right now. Y'all ready? Okay, I'm ready. Adventurous, adventure. My hair lopsided, huh?
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Babe, how you doing?
The hell are you wrong with you?
What are you talking about? Don't come in here starting with me, all right?
Yeah, you
are not supposed to start with me. Do not come in here and start with me. Anyway, what's up, y'all? Say hi to the ZQ family. My hair look lopsided. Why didn't you tell me it was lopsided?
Hey, you don't want to come outside looking like that.
Bruh, forget you.
That's on you.
That's not even funny, cuz.
First of all, who you calling the cuz?
Few inches later.
All right, you ready?
Yeah,
you doing too much.
Nah,
You doing too much. Like you doing too much. Anyway, put your seatbelt on.
I got my seatbelt on.
We gotta go get some gas.
Is you okay?
Seatbelt try to, you saw it? Turn some air on. Oh, I forgot I pushed my seat all the way back, so it's like I'm like far back. Anyways, I was talking to the best friend yesterday, and you know, she said that she wanted to go out. It's been like so long. You know that?
Well, yeah. Why you gotta do all that screaming for? What the hell is this car doing?
Bruh, move. Why you in front of, like, move, girl? Hey, y'all be doing too much for some free food. You saw her in front of the street and stuff? Like, blocking the street?
You don't have to be that loud.
Oh, with some free food?
You don't have to be that loud.
Can you give me some gum out of here? I need some more gum.
You got gum in your mouth.
Yeah, I don't want this piece.
His girl here. What do you don't want this piece?
Here, throw it away. Throw it away and stop playing. Like, you play too much.
This girl here.
So you enjoyed last night? Did you say hi to ZQ family? Who? Are you saw Messiah? This camera acting up. Did you say hi to the GQ family?
What's going on, y'all?
Oh, it's green. Turn that up. Anyways, look at this camera.
Yeah, it's tripping. Girl, you tripping today.
So you think my hair is cute? Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
I gotta fix this camera.
Even though it's molded.
What you mean by molded? I know you ain't talking about my hair. Like, it's a little bit lopsided, but oh my God. You see what we gotta do? What we gotta deal with today? You see what we gotta deal with today?
Exactly.
Like, because you want to get up late.
Motherfucker.
Like, we should have been out here.
Don't blame it on me.
Damn. So, am I supposed to go?
No, I guess you're supposed to wait for that dude.
Oh, he telling me to wait. Nigga, next time you drive. And then he don't even tell me when to go.
You need to seriously wait.
Tell me when to go. Tell me when to bomb. Do I stop? Oh my God. Should have had this fixed right. Y'all just, like, they're doing too much up here.
Exactly.
Rocket seat. They doing way too much right now. They got us. They trying to. You know when them little construction workers be trying to direct traffic, like what the?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you know when they be trying to direct traffic, like I don't understand what they be doing, but they don't be knowing what they doing.
Exactly.
They be done in a second, cause this nigga right here, he useless. He ain't even trying to fix the camera, so y'all can see what's going on. We'll be right back.
One eternity later.
I'm recording you, girl. What you mean what I'm doing? You better go to the gas thing, girl.
Is it 3?
Yeah. This girl is Modi. Q, hurry up, girl. This girl out here pumping gas. Q, how's it feel? Pump the gas.
Y'all don't look how much we put it in there, because it's like we doing bad right now. All right, when the thing. The little baby, he acting up right now, our little son. So, yeah, we got the kids with us. My daughter, she being cool. My son, he acting up right now. He don't want to be out right now. He like being in the house. The hazy. Bro, hurry up.
Right now, mama.
All right. But yeah, like I was saying, like next time, you need to put some gas in this car. No, I don't carry cash on me. Look at my friend. Sequoia!
Being that loud, girl. Why you gotta watch where you going, girl? Hello? Watch the road. You going with your friend. Sequoia!
Oh! I think she heard me too. Where she at? She looking. She stopped and looked. Huh?
I'm just being like, Sequoia!
Shut up. You saw her. She had looked too. She heard me.
Not you being that loud. The hell?
You are doing too much.
No, you doing too much right now. No.
You want some gum? Here.
No, I don't want no gum. And then you gonna put it back in your mouth?
So did you enjoy last night? I put sanitizer
Yes,
on my head.
yes, I enjoyed last night.
That was good, yo. y'all. I'm not gonna even lie. That D was dope.
Yeah, you.
Ah! Ah!
Yeah, you tripping today.
I think I'm. Look, you scaring our son. What the hell?
I'm not
is wrong
scaring
with
him.
you, bruh?
You know,
Bro, what the hell?
you know
Oh,
he
they
just be
got it
crying.
My booty itch.
Oh, hell no!
A booty itch, girl. Why you watch us taking ass in?
You is not gonna play me like that. I did. I really didn't have to wash up. It smelled like you.
So.
But then again, you stink. So.
You just loaded.
Oh, see, I had my lip gloss and all that in my pocket. Damn, I never even got it. My lips is dry. Is something in the road?
Nah, ain't nothing in the road.
All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. ZQ gang YouTube family. So like we were saying, like oh, I thought I heard a nigga saying something. You saw them right there? Look, and they got my car. That car look nice.
Girl, not too screaming in my ear like that. The hell is wrong with you?
But put some earplugs in there.
No, not you being.
That car nice. Don't scream in my ear.
The hell?
Do not scream in my ear. You're doing too much. Anyways, guys, we finna get to our destination. It's gonna be like about 10 15 minutes. Maybe about 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes. And we're gonna see y'all in a minute.
Oh, hell no.
Bruh.
Yeah, we're gonna see y'all in a minute. I should have brought some water. I'm thirsty. That thing last night was too much. Heart.
This is so embarrassing.
How am I embarrassing? We in the car. Oh yeah, we got y'all on the tube. We got the tube on the camera right now. Oh shoot, all these things. Anyways, we gonna see y'all in a minute. So yeah, okay. Boo.
1 hour later.
So you finna buy the food? Oh my God.
Girl, you mean you finna buy the food?
With
I
what?
ain't buying nothing.
I got a couple of hundreds.
Yeah, you finna buy it.
Oh nigga, we got food stamps. We got food stamps. EBT. Okay, fine.
No,
Don't say
no,
that.
EBT.
You was so juiced about them when they be paying for your hot links
Right.
and your bag of chips and your brisk and your fruit punch Arizona.
Right.
Yeah, your grape and strawberry sodas.
Right.
I need some more gum. Yeah, y'all need to get y'all some food stamps. I'm still waiting on my what's that other stuff? That pandemic ones.
The PBT ones.
Yeah, we need those too. I need them all. Alright, lock my door. You don't want no gum?
Girl, not you chewing like that. The light green, ma'am.
You be doing too much.
It's moldy.
My thing itch.
You get in the shower then.
I did get in the shower. What is you talking about? You want to smell it?
Oh, hell no!
No, I'm smelling that thing.
Don't be getting at me like that. You smelled it last night, huh? Oh! Yeah.
Exactly.
Babe, you need a haircut.
You need a hairline.
That don't even make no sense.
That do make sense.
Hit your brother up and see if he cut your hair. We gotta take our pictures for Valentine's Day.
You need a hairline.
Bro, shut up when I'm talking to you.
Better drive that car, girl. Hey, slow down, slow down. What you doing? What you doing?
Don't do that. He be crippin'.
Crippin'. So you banging now?
Bruh, I did not bang. I was not banging. What are you talking about?
You was banging. Crippin'.
No, I don't bang. The hell? I bang my life and my kids. Kid gang, kid gang. Hey, hey, hey!
No, no, no.
So, what was that you was talking about last night about how you want to put another baby in this thing? That's what you was saying, right? You said you want another boy named Benjamin.
The hell is a Benjamin?
And if we have another girl, Tantaniniana.
What? Oh my God!
Yeah, you is on top of me tripping. I ain't said none of that. You gotta be in your right lane, ma'am.
For what?
Somebody over there?
I can get, but I got bars. I've been driving since I was 5.
Girl.
I've been turn.
Nah.
I've been driving since I was 5.
Don't make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
Let me see your hand. Damn.
What the hell? You doing? You gonna turn right down here?
Right here?
Yeah.
Why didn't you just drive? Huh? Paul, why you didn't just drive?
Who the hell is Paul? Excuse me, who the hell is Paul?
This nigga, he always sit here and he gotta tell me where to go. Like I don't be knowing where to go. I'm like, bro, why you just didn't drive? You feel me? Like, why didn't you just drive? Why didn't you just drive?
Keep driving. You know where you going? You dumb idiot.
What the? Were they trying to come head first? I'm just not gonna deal with these people today.
I guess so.
I'm not gonna deal with these people today. Damn. We both said this train hella long.
Girl, stop complaining.
Go get this train.
It's finna be like another minute.
It ain't Amtrak though.
I know and I am
It's a
trying.
regular train.
It's Modi.
Oh
They
hell
got the
no.
headquarters of Bimbo.
Who?
Bimbo, the bread company.
Oh hell no. Hell no.
You told the girl for?
Because we gotta sit.
Yeah, this girl.
Hey!
This girl is Modi.
Oh, look, the train stopped. Like he said. The train stopped.
Yeah, this girl is Modi.
I'm not finna run my car and the train was going.
Supposed to go to
Over there?
Bimbo.
Where's Bimbo at?
Over there, the company.
Where?
Over there.
That's storage.
That's Bimbo.
I don't see Bimbo. Where you? Oh, there you go. Oh, that's where you do the. They do the food, huh? All right, guys. So we finna go to the store real quick. We gotta get a few groceries, and yeah, my hair it's still lopsided. Oh, package save right there. That package save?
Yeah.
You wanna go package save?
Might as well.
Yeah. We ain't finna do extra. Do we just
Right here too. Don't even do nothing.
police? Hey,
Right here.
hey. Oh shit.
You voted?
Y'all see the police? Mama, sit down. She looking at him.
What you mean?
Where should I go? Right here?
You gotta park on
All right, y'all. We gonna see y'all in the store.
Peace.
A few moments later.
Beautiful people, we finna go into this store. We finna go into this store to see. Yo. Yeah, so we about to go from this store. We finna go get some food.
Girl, you better not embarrass me either.
You ready?
Yeah.
I need to get a basket too. I thought dude had a basket.
That dude got a basket.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we need to go to this store. Y'all can come with us.
It's
Alright, so what we said we getting?
supposed to get 3 boxes of soda. Some
Soda?
yeah, some
3 boxes of soda?
yes. And supposed to get some ground beef, the shells,
We don't need
and
no more water, do we?
nah, and some chicken wings. This guy is. Y'all see this girl cute? She be tripping.
Oh, these. Oh, let me not do it.
Come on, girl, you embarrassing us. Just hurry up and get the stuff and go.
You know what? You don't have to be talking to me like you're crazy. That's what you're not supposed to do. You're not supposed to talk to me.
Well, you need to hurry up and
Don't we need some bread?
yeah.
You're not supposed to talk to me like you're crazy. Not supposed to. Feel me? That's what you're not gonna do. You're not gonna do that. Not up in here, okay?
All right.
Not up in here.
This girl right here. Yeah, you tripping. You trying to start all that shit running all the people over here. This girl be tripping. Not too much stuff, Q. We need to come and get all this stuff, Q.
Oh!
This girl, she is so embarrassing. Y'all see what she doing? She popping and stuff.
They don't got no hot chips?
No, they don't got no hot chips, Q.
Alright, let's go. Let's go so we can get up out of here. Because you getting on my nerves. Because you ain't even trying to look and help look for stuff.
This girl right here. She be moldy.
Oh my God.
This girl right here. Kid, you is so embarrassing.
Who embarrassing? Why you keep saying that I'm embarrassing? How am I embarrassed? Huh? Why are you laughing at me?
This girl right here.
This boy. Alright, remember we gotta get these. What's that one dude said? What kind he said? Remember?
He said the ranch con, didn't he? I got the ranch
What was
con.
his name though? We got. You want to get these ones?
Yeah.
Is there anyone else one you gonna get? I'm gonna get 2 boxes. So we gonna do our mukbang, but we making the crunchy tacos ourselves.
That's it.
So we tripping because we ain't got no room
We don't.
Because you see, we got the big stroller, and he doing too much right now. We know we need some food. Let's get this meat like he said, and then let's go. We ain't even eating.
This girl right here.
And we eat spaghetti, you said?
Uh-huh.
You want this plant-based meat?
Grab the beat. Alright, come on. You're taking a long time.
Okay, let's go. And then he says,
She was staring at you and shit?
where the chicken at?
How about know where the chicken at?
Didn't you say you want some chicken?
Yeah. You gotta ask him where the chicken at.
Bro, why are you so strict? You ain't finna keep being shy up in here, okay?
You alright, you hurry your butt up.
See, you up in here, you get on my nerves. Hurry up. You doing too much crap. You doing way too much.
You serious?
This girl right here.
Oh, here it goes. You wanted the little one, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Not no drumsticks.
You want drumsticks?
Nuh-uh.
Which one do you want?
No drumsticks.
No? What one you want?
They don't got the
They don't got no... They don't got... Oh, you want them little party wings, huh? I don't think they got them. No, they don't got the party wings. Yeah, they don't got the party wings. They got just the drumsticks. But they got wings. They got thighs.
girl.
So what you want to do?
Oh no.
No chicken? We can do that. Let me see something. Let's go back this way. You remember that one that the kids like?
What?
Remember the one the kids like? You gotta answer me. Cause I don't feel loud. That ain't the sweet one. I don't think they gonna like that one.
They might as well get that one.
Oh, there they go. So we're gonna mix it together and mix the sauce.
Well, hurry up, girl.
Alright, so this and we out of here.
All right.
So this and out of here. So this and out of
This girl. Y'all see this girl run with the basket and the this girl right here.
What's that thing on TikTok they do? You saw me?
What they doing on TikTok?
Dun.
I don't know.
This girl right here.
You gotta look at that challenge. Ooh, I can't breathe, y'all. Alright, let's get out of here. We need the sodas. Where the sodas at?
Hi, Big Mama. Hi. Big Mama. Sit down, Mama.
Where the sodas at?
How I supposed to know what the soda's at? This girl here.
Had to get some. Remember, we ain't got none. Alright, we out. Let's get the drink. Oh.
This girl right here.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all, so we got the food. You see all that food we got? Y'all see?
Yeah, they can see, kid. If you, this girl right here.
But now, see, the tricky part is getting this stuff inside the car.
You tell me nothing.
I need my glasses to see.
She look. You was boating. Look here, I got her right now.
In that part. Go, old daddy. So embarrassing. Y'all, you see how he talks about we embarrassing and stuff? Like, who is embarrassing? Like, who is embarrassing? Like, he don't be embarrassed when I be popping this ass for him, though. Yeah,
So what else we gonna put in there? You gotta give me the sodas.
put her in the car. Let's put her in the car. Oh, close that door to my car. Put her in the car. And then we gonna start putting the stuff in. All right, guys, so we got all this food. You feel me? We got all this food, so y'all, we've been doing too much. Shut up! Yeah. We've been doing too much. Like, why are we doing too much, y'all? Y'all better get them. Y'all better get them. Now, next time have it on when I tell you to have it on. Get that shit out of my face. All right, bruh, start this car.
It is started. You got the thing on?
You want some of this? I was trying to get a blow pop, but they didn't have none.
You is naughty, you know that?
We almost home. To the man, we almost getting home. So we bought him, where's my purse? Okay. We bought him this little baby food stuff. He spilled it all over. Like, I'm gonna show you. He spilled it all over. What big boy did, look at this. He got it everywhere and he got attitude. You see it? Like, he's only 8 months.
Where's the freeway?
7 months, I know. Bro, I'm talking right now. You better find the freeway yourself now. See, I told y'all what he be doing. Every time he drive, he act like he dumb and don't even know where to go because he's a tenured. He's not even a tenured, he's a newbie. He don't even know how to drive, guys. And I always gotta drive. But every time I drive, he tell me where to go. Slow down, babe, slow down. He know where the freeway at. He know where the freeway at. So you want me to shake my ass in your face?
Damn! No, you gotta calm down what you doing.
But you want me to shake it in your face like I was doing last night?
Give your meat a good old rub. Yeah, boy, out, me. Yeah, boy.
I mean, of course you can do that, but...
You want me to shake it right now? Okay, the next stoplight, I'm gonna shake my ass. The next stoplight. These are hella good. So I was trying to get a blow pop, cause you know, but they didn't have none. You know, them is old school now. You gotta really go to the corner store out here and stuff. He driving too. I'm popping.
What the hell are you doing, Q?
That dude flipped us off. So I had to pop my ass to him. He flipped us off. You don't want me to pop now? You be doing too much. You still be doing too much. All right, so we went in there, right? You want some of this? You sure?
Yes, I'm positive. Do you want some of that?
If you see my mouth all over it, right?
Nice.
What the hell? That don't even sound right. Idiot.
But it looked right though.
Very funny.
Anyways, like I was saying before I was really interrupting.
Look at my old job.
All right, we gonna do it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. He got fired, y'all. He only was working there for how long?
Alright, like 3 to 4 months.
3-4 months he got fired. Y'all wanna know why he got fired? Cause the nigga can't work!
Right. Oh shit.
Ooh, they pulling us over. Bro, what did you do? Damn, y'all, we getting pulled over by the police. Man.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
What? Damn, y'all.
I put up because you been loud.
No, you being loud. Wait! Car coming, ain't it?
Ain't no car coming, girl. Because you been loud.
Who being loud?
You, and you flicked up the facility. Say he got fired. You know how to work.
What?
You look at Frosties.
They
Look at Frosties.
He always talking about, man, who you yelling at?
You.
Who are you yelling at, Paul?
I'm yelling at you, Roger. You looking at you.
This shit's sweaty now. Let's see. Bruh, can you go get me some J's? Some J's. It's these, I saw these cute ones.
You go get your J's yourself.
What you say?
Go in the store and get it yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna ask my other nigga to give me some then.
What, that nigga?
Boy,
Exactly.
I know you thought this is 2022. You know we still got side pieces.
And what that supposed to
And
mean?
they ain't even little side pieces no more. They call our twerks.
And what that supposed to mean?
Bro, I gotta twerk something. It was what it mean. You can't give me none, the next nigga can. Bruh, I don't even have enough money. I need some J's. I only have $1,000 on me right now.
That's enough.
How the hell is $1,000 enough for some Jordans?
Jordan's like what? The 185, 200 out the door?
Yeah, but I want
Depending
7
on
pair.
what kind
No,
you
I
get.
want 7 pair. So what are you talking
7
about?
pair.
Like,
all right, that's
who goes into the
that's
store
1,500.
and only buy 1 pair of J's? Nigga, I said 1,000.
That's 1,500.
These niggas finna give me my 7 J's for a rack. That's all it. That's it. That's it about. You know, I'm getting 7 right at the door.
1,500
right at
out
the
the door. 1,500 out the door.
They got me whipped out right now.
You do the math, you idiot.
I just did the math.
All right.
And then, matter of fact, you probably gonna still buy 2 of the pair
It's my brother over there.
if they want to talk shit.
It's my brother. That's him. I think that is. I wouldn't think I was him.
Your brother work here? Why you roll down the window and say hi to your brother?
I didn't know for sure that was if that was him.
Well, we roll down and make sure it ain't him.
Oh!
Girl.
My voice starting to hurt, guys. Anyways, Z, it's just a prank.
What you mean it's a prank? What you mean it's a prank?
You know, I be acting like that.
Yeah, you be acting like that. The hell you talking about? You was acting all just molded inside the store.
So
Just
basically, it
embarrassing.
wasn't a prank because you saying I act like this normally.
You were just embarrassing. What?
Do it stink?
That
that shit smell like ass.
No, it don't.
It smell like ass.
No, it don't. Why are you freaking lying?
I'm freaking lying.
Anyway, guys, y'all need to subscribe to the channel. If y'all ain't already subscribed to the channel, y'all already know what to do. Okay, this is our year. This is our year. We still need our fans. Like, where they at, though? Like, subscribe to the channel.
I'm supposed to know, though.
Tell you, though. Where they at, though? Like, where they at, though?
How I supposed to know though?
So, yeah, y'all subscribe to the channel. Remember, you need to subscribe. You need to subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the newcomers. You remember that giveaway is wait, didn't we say this is the last week? Yeah, this is the last week. So to give it out to enter your name in Sunday is the last day. The last day is Sunday.
My God, now we stuck in traffic because
So
of
we
you
giving out-
want to buy a lot of shit at the store.
Shut the hell up when I'm talking.
We in
Because
traffic.
look here. Look, come here. Come here.
What?
He can't multitask.
We in traffic.
My mouth dry.
All right, come look on this thing then. Let's try.
Anyways, like I said, we picking 3 lucky winners, and so you guys hear it out of our mouth. I've been just putting people's names in that giveaway multiple times. People in there like 5, 6, 7 times. And like I said, anybody who comment on the video, you subscribe member. As long as you're doing positive feedback and comments, because we don't do negative comments. Like, we just normal black people that's trying to make it in life, and we ain't even gonna go through all this. But we gonna give out 3. We picking 3 lucky winners. We might just do 4, so you never know. Okay, we gonna be giving cash too. So, all right, we out. We love y'all. Peace. Zay! Love you. I love you, baby. I love you so much, Z.
I love you so much, baby. I love you so much, Q.